In this video, I'll show you how to enable subtitles in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Simply launch the game on your PC or on your console and access the Call of Duty homepage. And then from here, select Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And then press the menu button on your controller. And then navigate to the settings wheel icon by using your R1 or the L1 button. And then scroll down and select Interface. Now within the Interface section, navigate to the Readability section. So navigate to Readability by using your L1 or the R1 button on your controller, and then scroll down and find Subtitles. So simply select that option, and if you want to enable, you can simply choose All On, and you can show all subtitles whenever they are available, or you can select Custom, and then choose which modes you'd like to enable subtitles for. So if you select Custom, all you have to do is select the Show More option. So you can simply press the box button on your controller. And then now you can choose to enable subtitles for multiplayer if you want. You can enable subtitles for zombies. And if you want, you can enable subtitles for Warzone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.